And we have created Rolls-Royce Coach Build to fulfill these desires. When a Rolls-Royce Coach Build commission is created, it represents the moment a paradigm shifts. The outcome reflects a vision so focused that its significance transcends the world of motor cars. We created the contemporary coach building movement in 2017 with Sweptail. This remarkable hand-built motor car was instantly proclaimed as one of the finest intercontinental tourers in history. It represented a major recalibration of possibility. Sweptail set a new watermark of potential and ignited a fascination among a rarefied group of our clients. Among them, collectors, patrons of the arts and commissioning clients of now iconic architecture. And we agreed. Within that group, 3 individuals shared a specific ambition and a single demand. Show me something that I have never seen before.
These clients were prepared to pledge so much of their time, so much of themselves.
Coach Build clients are embedded within the understand every element of the design.
We learned of their love of hosting, and this served as a major inspiration for their commission of the rear hosting area. The crisp, pinched leading edge on the fender, the gentle rearward lean of the A-pillar, and then the trailing rear edge, they all suggestively gesture forward, almost like a motor launcher rising out of the wake under its own power. This is an extremely contemporary projection of the Rolls-Royce iconography.
Understanding and capturing the client's personality and image is fundamental. It is the product of an artistic and craft skill set that does not exist anywhere else in the automotive industry. Today, Rolls-Royce observes an historical moment. It's not just the introduction of a product, but the formation of a movement. Coach building by Rolls-Royce.